Okay, welcome to the Crafty Hoarder. Don't forget to like our videos or subscribe to the channel to see more of our crafty kits. What we're going to look at right now is the bunch of flowers kit. Okay, every pack comes with what's included in the pack and what's not included that you might need to make it, and a list of instructions for you to follow, or you can just freestyle for what's inside. Okay, you need to trim across the top to enter the pack, being careful that actually everything has slid down to the bottom of the bag, because you don't want to cut into what's already there. Okay, so for this kit we might need scissors and we might need glue. Okay, and always making sure that you're not dropping bits that fly across the floor, just like I've just done. There's a bead disappeared, but we'll sort that out in a minute. So we've got some card flowers, piece of ribbon, pipe cleaners are included to make these 3 flowers, and normally there's 3 beads, so I'll find that one off the floor in a moment. And basically, using one of your pipe cleaners, you've got to push the pipe cleaner through one of these holes. On the flower there are 2 little slits cut. I'm going to push up through one and down through another. So we're going to go through the one hole here to get the top of the flower, push quite a little length through and pop the bead over the top, and then take the end of that, this can get a bit fiddly, push it down the other side. And then you've got a choice now. You can either just bend it over and leave it there, that's fine, or you could actually twist the 2 ends together. I think it makes it less fiddly if you just push it down. It works quite well, the bead stays on nicely, and because they're going to be a decoration, they're not going to move around so much. As you can see, it works quite well, making a flower really effectively. Okay, so that's one flower done. We've got the others to do, and same again, just pushing up through the one hole. And pipe cleaners are really child friendly, nice modelling tool for little fingers. And I'm going to miss off the bead of this one because I think a cat has stolen the bead off the floor. So see, it still works without the bead, just adds a little bit of extra to it if you have the bead. So there's 2. Got a green bead for the last one. And obviously if they want to be super creative, getting the bead, they could decorate the flowers before doing this part. So you could add glitter to the end, sequins, or just colour in the flowers. Felt tips, crayons, pencils would be absolutely fine because they're just made of card, so they're really easy to draw on. We've got off 3 flowers there, and now to form them into a bunch where you might need a bit of help, okay, from an adult to tie this together. Put 1 knot in, and then you can either leave it like that or you can add a bow. And the ribbon is just long enough to have a nice little amount to it, so you don't have to trim any extra off. And I might need to work on my bow practice here. And then you've got a gorgeous little bouquet of flowers. Put them in any order you like, decorate them, hang them up, put them in a pot. They work really nicely, really effective.